Welcome back to our online classes. I hope you all are happy, safe and healthy. Okay? Now open your EVS book. Okay? Today we will learn a new chapter. The name of our chapter is clothes. Students, what do we wear? See what I am wearing. This is called sari. And what you are wearing? You might be wearing shirts, t-shirts, shorts and frocks, right? So what do we call them? We call them clothes. Clothes? We call them clothes, okay? Saris, t-shirts, shirt, frocks are called clothes. And why do we wear clothes? Do you know? We wear clothes to cover our body. See, I am wearing a sari, I am covering my body, right? So we wear clothes to cover our body and also to protect our body from heat, cold and rains, okay? And we also wear clothes to protect our body from insect bites or any other germs, okay? Now we have types of clothes. We wear clothes like sari, salwar and shirts and pants. So there are three types of clothes. First one is comfortable clothes and another is formal clothes. And the third one is uniform, okay? So first we will learn comfortable clothes. Comfortable clothes क्या है? Comfortable clothes are the clothes which are easy to wear and we feel easy when we wear them, okay? They give us comfort. Comfortable clothes are like shirts, frocks or t-shirts. Basically they are cotton clothes. Comfortable clothes are basically the cotton clothes and we wear it at our home on normal days. On regular basis, what do we wear? We wear comfortable clothes so that we can work easily. And now we will study formal clothes. We wear formal clothes on special occasions. Sometimes we go to weddings, right? We attend parties or we go to picnics. Then on those days, we wear formal clothes to look a little different. Comfortable clothes gives us ease, but formal clothes gives a new look or a different look, okay? Now, we can give some examples of comfortable formal clothes like formal shirt or pant or tie, okay? Coat, blazer. So formal clothes, we wear formal clothes on special occasions and comfortable clothes at home on normal days. And we have another cloth which is uniform. Okay? What is a uniform? You come to school. What do you wear? You wear a shirt, a tie, skirt and pant, I-card, right? This is called a uniform. When you go to a place to work or to study, what do you wear? You wear a uniform, a special dress. It is a special dress. Okay? So, in this book, turn to page number 52. You can see there are so many persons. Okay? You can see they all are wearing uniforms. Now we will discuss about them. First one is the doctor. Do you know what does a doctor do? A doctor treats you when you are ill so that you can feel better. Okay? Now, what does a doctor wear? A doctor wears a white coat and a shirt or a pant and also a stethoscope. Okay? Now, in another picture, we have a nurse next to the doctor. What does a nurse do? A nurse assists the doctor in the hospital, okay? And what does she wear? She wears a dress and a cap. The dress is called apron, okay? And now we have another picture. This is of a pilot. So what does a pilot do? A pilot flies aeroplane and helicopter, right? And what do they wear? They wear shirt, pant, tie, cap and they have stars on their shoulders, okay? They have stars on their shoulders on the shirt. Now, in in another picture we have a soldier. What does a soldier do? A soldier protects the nation, protects the persons who are living in a nation. And a soldier wears a shirt, a pant, a belt, a beret. Beret is a cap. The cap a soldier wears is called a beret. And they also have badges and stars on their shirt. Okay, this is their uniform. Now, another one is firefighter. What does a firefighter wear? They wear a jacket which protects them from the heat and the fire. And they also wear a helmet, okay, and a jacket. The jacket protects them. Now, in the picture we have an astronaut. What does an astronaut do? He goes to the space, okay, he goes to moon and the space. And what does he wear? He wears a space suit, a helmet, okay, a space suit and also a helmet. Now, in this picture you have a school uniform, just like you wear your school uniform, right? A shirt, a pant, a tie, identity card, right? Now turn to page number 53. Now we will learn how to take care of the clothes we wear, comfortable clothes, formal clothes and uniform clothes, right? We wear clothes and now we have to keep them in a good manner and we have to take a good care of our clothes. So now read with me. We should always wear clean clothes, okay? We should wash our clothes regularly with water and detergent. We can wash clothes by hand and a washing machine, okay? Now students, the clothes we wear on a regular basis or on special occasions, we need to clean them. We need to wash them with water, soap and detergent. And you can wash your clothes by your hands or you can also use a washing machine, okay? Both will do the same work. Now read with me. Clothes should be folded and stored properly. Some clothes also need to be ironed, okay? Dirty and wrinkled clothes may get damaged. The clothes we wash, first we wear the clothes and then we wash them by our hands or through the washing machine, okay? Now we have to fold the clothes in a proper manner. Fold the clothes in a proper manner and keep them one cloth on another, then another, okay? Just like this. Now, and for the formal clothes and uniforms, we have to iron the clothes so that we can wear them, okay? Some clothes needs to be ironed. And comfortable clothes are not required to iron. We do not need to iron comfortable clothes, okay? Now, again read with me. We store clothes in a cupboard and closet, right? We can fold and keep the clothes stacked or can put them in hangers. This is what a stacking called. When we put a cloth on another and then another cloth on this, just like that, okay? This is called stacking up clothes, okay? Now, we wear the clothes and we wash them. Now, where do we put them? We put them in a cupboard or in a closet. Cupboard and closet are also called almirah, right? So, we put our clothes in a cupboard or a closet. We fold them in this manner and we keep them in a line, okay, in a proper line, and we also put some clothes in hangers like shirts or dresses. We put them on a hanger. Now, to keep away insects, we can place dried neem leaves with the clothes. We put the clothes in the closet, right? Now, to protect the clothes from the insects, we put dried leaves with the clothes and around the cloth so that the insects are away from our cupboard and our clothes. Now students, we have different clothes and different seasons, right? So according to the season, we wear different clothes. On summer days, summer is the season, right? So on summer days, we wear cotton clothes because summers are hot and cotton clothes makes you feel a little cool, right? So we wear cotton clothes on summers. Cotton clothes are ease, right? So we wear cotton clothes on summers. And now on winters. On winters, we feel cold, right? So we have to warm ourselves. We have to protect ourselves from the cold air. So we wear woolen clothes on winter. During winter, we wear woolen clothes. And now, the other season is rainy season. So on rainy season, we wear raincoat. Raincoat protects us from getting wet. It does not allow the water to pass through the raincoat, and we do not get wet. So we wear raincoat on a rainy day. Now, do you know where do we get cotton and wool? We get cotton from a plant. We get cotton from a plant, and this plant is called cotton plant. A plant which gives us cotton. We get cotton from this plant. Now we get wool from sheep. Sheep is an animal, okay? So sheep is an animal. Sheep has hairs, okay? Just like we have hair, sheep also has hairs. We cut their hairs and we collect wool from that. So wool is an animal product and cotton is a plant product, okay? Now turn the page. Now we will study where do we get raincoats. So raincoats are made of, now see, cotton is a plant product. Now raincoats are made of waterproof material like plastics and rubber. Plastics and rubbers are waterproof material. They do not allow water to pass. So we wear raincoats to protect our body from rains on a rainy season. So today we learned clothes, what are clothes and types of clothes. Okay, we wear comfortable clothes on a normal day and on a regular basis. We wear formal clothes on occasions or weddings. We wear uniform when we go to work and we go to school. And how do we keep our clothes clean? And we also learn clothes we wear according to the different seasons. Okay, now this part is over. We will head to exercise part. First we will do choose the correct answer. First question is, we wear formal clothes or uniform. When we go to school, we wear uniform when we go to school. We should always wear clean or dirty clothes. We should always wear clean clothes. We wear different or same clothes on different seasons. We wear different clothes on different seasons according to the seasons. We wear cotton or woolen clothes in summer season. We wear cotton on summer seasons. And now another question is, we wear raincoats or woolen jackets in rainy season. We wear raincoats in the rainy season. Now question number B, fill in the blanks, okay? First question is, clean clothes make us look smart. And now we wear dash clothes at home. We wear comfortable clothes at home. We wear dash clothes when we go to a marriage or a party. We wear formal clothes. Now, another question is, we wear sweaters in dash season. We wear sweaters in winter season. We use a raincoat in the dash season. We use a raincoat in the rainy season. Now write true and false. First question is, clothes protect us from heat and cold. True, clothes protect us from heat and cold. We wear uniforms when we go to a party. False, we wear formal clothes when we go to a party, right? And now another question is, we should wash our clothes. Yes, true. We should always wash our clothes. Now fourth question is, cotton clothes are very heavy. False. Cotton clothes are not heavy. Woolen clothes are heavy. Woolen clothes keep us cool. False. Woolen clothes keep us warm. Now move to question answer. First question is, why do we wear clothes? We wear clothes to cover our bodies and to protect us from heat and cold. Now, second question is, where do we wear comfortable clothes? We wear comfortable clothes at home. Now, third question is, how should we store clothes? We store clothes in cupboard and closet after washing them. Now, when do we wear raincoat? In the rainy season, we wear raincoat. It protects us from getting wet. Now another question is, what kind of clothes do we wear in summer? We wear cotton clothes in summer as cotton clothes keep us cool. See, in page number 56, question number E, okay? Here you can see a man, okay? Now read the question. This is a picture of a man who lived long back. He covered his body with clothes made from leaves and barks. Do you know why? Because, do you know why he is wearing a cloth which is made from leaves and barks? He is wearing a cloth which is made from leaves and bark because clothes were not invented at that period of time. Okay, only leaves and barks were available. Therefore, they made clothes out of leaves and barks. Now you have a homework. Okay, question number F, which is use paper or newspapers to make any one dress. Use newspaper or papers to make any one of a dress, which is question number 3, and question number G is also a homework. In this question, you have to color the clothes we wear in summer in blue. Color the clothes in blue which we wear in summers, and the clothes which we wear in winters, color them in red color. Okay, that's all. Thank you.